check out what I've created with this Calligrapher's Garden kit? Well, keep watching. Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and I made this really cute spring-like journal using some scrapbook papers, some recycled items, and primarily Lorna Taylor from TaylorMadejournals digital kit called Calligrapher's Garden. I love how it turned out, so let's have a look. This is the hardcover book. I used just the front and the back. I just left it plain like that. It has kind of a gold look to it. And I did cover just the spine. This one I used muslin to adhere the 3 signatures, and I attached the muslin inside the book. As you noticed from when I took off the ribbon, it's a really pretty peachy ribbon, I did not attach the ribbons inside of this journal. I've had a few that I've purchased myself before and ones I've made, and I don't always find that they're totally secure. Sometimes they pop out and they destroy the inside of the book, so I don't usually like attaching my ribbons inside the albums. So this is the front. I used some gold corrugated papers, and some of this is scrapbooking lines and some is TaylorMade, and a little bit of ribbon. So let's have a look. Like I said, there's scrapbooking papers, there's rub-ons, it's a hybrid, which I really like creating. There's recycled, there's digitals. So I'm just going to do a flip through and let you see. These are coffee stained. Multiple different weights of papers, and I have a very good printer with very good images, so you won't be disappointed with any of the digitals. You could stitch this in if you wanted to. Belly band. With 5 different tags from the collection. receipt. There are 128 pages in this journal, plus add-ons and different pullouts and whatnot. I did use sari silks in the journal as well. And you also get things like the rice paper. This is a paper bag envelope with some funky postcards and another file folder. There's a file folder, you could put something else of your own in there. This is a coffee stained glassine bag. You can put other little trinkets or notions in here. I did use some washi tape on some digitals. This one, love these funky paper clips. So we have those on some music note paper. This line was very, very cool and fun to create. Lorna did a great job on this kit. I enjoy all her digitals, but I really liked this one. This one was a lot of fun to play with. Receipt. Another glassine bag with a few little goodies. I will link Lorna's kit and her Etsy shop down below, so make sure you give some love and check out Lorna Taylor Digitals at Taylormadejournals. This was one I just created. There's a little bit of Tim Holtz in here, but not much. I don't use a lot of his stuff in my journals, but there is a little bit. There's lots of room for you to do your journaling and your writing on. There's mulberry paper. Very vintage envelope. And let's see what's inside that. Another receipt. These are part of the kit. And this one has two separate envelopes, front and the back, or pocket, sorry. There's a picture in there. Some more sari silks. A little bit Tim Holtz, a little bit of scrapbooking paper, and a vintage ledger sheet. This one I made out of vintage book. I made a couple pockets and I just love that. Look at the colors, it's so vibrant and beautiful. Some more sari silk. And then another receipt. I'm going to be having a lot of my journals for sale on my Etsy shop, so you want to check out my Etsy shop listed down below. And when you go to Etsy, it comes up as Scrap Trinkets, which is a division of my Create and Play with Renee. So that is, when you see Scrap Trinkets, that is me. That is a line I used to make years ago, back in about 2004-5, that I used to sell wholesale to retailers. With a whole bunch of stuff. If you see it on Ideology now with Tim Holtz, a lot of the stuff he's come out with ironically enough, I sold that stuff with scrap trinkets with people doing mixed media back then, and a lot of people, honestly, until we taught them and we showed them different things, didn't know how to use it. So it's kind of funny now that you see it come out. So this is an envelope that pops. So you have kind of like hidden area. That's part of her journals. Here's 2 vintage postcards. So yeah, check out Scrap Trinkets and my goodies that I have for sale there down below in my Etsy shop. The colors are just so gorgeous. I absolutely love this. She did such an amazing job. And she's doing new kits all the time and stamps, so you want to go and check out her shop or her Facebook page. And that's the end. So this was my junk journal featuring Calligrapher's Garden from TaylorMadejournals. I absolutely loved making it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. This journal is for sale unless otherwise noted on my video that it's sold. Go check out my Etsy shop, and I price my prices very reasonably, so I hope you like my things. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification and the all, and check out my other methods of social media, which are listed down below. Thanks everybody, have an awesome day.